Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Mamma mia, happy 32. My mind, just how much we love you. Yeah, we prepare this birthday since the day you were absent. Oh, we really surprised you. Mamma mia, now you really know my mind. We would never let you go. We will never let you go, and you will always be a Fofo. Happy birthday, Mamma Mia. I love you. From ours, moi, moi.
Happy birthday po, Mama Mia. We love you always.
Hello guys, sa Wadi ka Thailand, and babatiin ko lang si Mama Mia ng happy birthday, and wish ko sa'yo more birthday pa, and ayun lang, thank you.
Hey guys, what's up? Sa Wadi ka Thailand, ako nga po pala si Pokpok Res, at nandito po ako ngayon para mag-rate sa ating Mama Mia. Happy birthday, Mama Mia. Sana po nag-enjoy ka po sa araw na iyong kaarawan. Mag-ingat ka po lagi. Ang ingay ng motor ba? Tapos enjoy po yung araw mo po. Tsaka mahal na mahal ka naming mga taga-Pokpoklandia. Ingatan mo po yung sarili mo. Huwag ka po magpaka-stress pa. Sige Mama Mia, happy birthday, happy birthday.
So ayan, happy birthday Ate Klein, o mas kilala sa pangalang Mama Mia. Alam namin natapos na yung birthday mo. And ito nga, pahabol namin ng greeting para sa'yo. Sinadya ko talaga na ikaw bumili ng uluyan, Mama Mia, para mabati kita at masurprise sana namin ikaw. Ayan, at sana lagi kang maging masaya at laging mabait. Ayan. Love you, Mama Mia. Ate Klein. Ayan. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mommy Klein. Happy 18th birthday to you. Ayan. Mommy, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for everything that you've done for me, for the family. Ayun. Thank you for not leaving us. And, Mommy, sobrang mahal na mahal kita. Alam mo yan. From the bottom of my heart. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being my mom. Ayan. Thank you for guiding me. Thank you for all the advices. Ayan. I really appreciate you. Your generosity. Ayan. Yung pagiging genuine mo sa aming lahat. Hindi lang sa akin. Pero sa lahat, no? Sa lahat ng ating kapamilya. Ay, kapamilya o kapuso? Eme, ayun. Mommy, I wish you all the very best. I know na magiging successful ka, ayan, sa business mo, and Mommy, always remember that me and the family is always here for you no matter what happen. Kami ay one call away lang, handang-handa kung kailangan mo kami, no? Wag mo na financially, no? Kaya ka namin i-support emotionally, ayun. And meron akong batuting dito na gustong bumati sa'yo. Ayan. Say hi! Hi, Mommy Klein! Ayun. Hi, Mommy Klein! Happy birthday! Say happy birthday, Mommy Klein! O, dali, i-blow mo na. I-blow namin yung candle for you. Ayan, dahil, because it's our, it's your 18th birthday. We wish you all the very best. Ayun, happy birthday. Let's blow together, anak. Happy birthday, Mommy Klein. Happy birthday to you.
Ayan, hello, hello, hello. Sawadee ka, Thailand! Yes, first let me introduce myself. Joke lang. Hindi tayo mag-i-intro kasi wala tayo sa wordless. Ayan. Hello, good afternoon, guys. And today is Mama Mia's Natal Day. Ayan, Mama Mia, happy, happy, happy birthday. Wishing you a birthday, a perfect as you are for me. And age is just a number. Ayan, dumaan mi ng maraming years, maraming birthdays sa'yo. Ayan. You're still our Mama Mia, that beautiful with a heart and a beautiful inside and out. Ayan. Wish ko din na more chikahan pa ng mga Tres Marias. Ayan. We love you, Mama Mia, once again. Happy, 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 happy Natal Day. Ayan. God bless you. All the way from New Zealand.
Hi, Mama Mia. Happy birthday. Ano masasabi ko? Thank you kasi you've been part of our life, lalo na sa for almost how many months na tayo nagkakausap, nagkaka-chat. Thank you sa mga help mo sometimes kapag in need ako. Napaka-generous mo at napaka-bait mo at more power sa iyong business. At ayun, ano ba? Sorry bangag kasi ako eh. Happy birthday! At ayun, mag-enjoy ka lang every time, no? Love you!
Sad.